Your smartphone. It runs Symbian, just like the Nokia N8 that preceded it, and just like the Nokia N8, it has a massive, big old camera sensor in the back, and there's a whole bunch of megapixels going on here, and Damien is going to explain to us what is actually going on. So, do you want to tell us about what's going on here, Damien?
Sure. So, at the core of the new 808 is three things. First is this super high resolution image sensor, which Nokia has co-developed, which has 7,728 by 5,368 pixels, 41 megapixels in total. Combine that with some new revolutionary Carl Zeiss optics, which we developed in conjunction with our friends at Carl Zeiss, which have up to 10 times greater precision than in SLR lenses, and also a new way of handling the huge throughput of pixels that go through the system. So, for example, when we're recording 1080 video, there's over 1 billion pixels per second that are handled by the imaging pipeline. The big thing with this, though, is not the specs, but is actually how we utilize all of those pixels. So the first thing is in terms of this pixel oversampling, where we oversample up to 7 pixels down to a single perfect pixel, which gives you incredible detail and clarity with virtually no noise. In fact, in good lighting conditions, you'll see no noise in the images at all.
So what that means is, I mean, you just said it. You're taking all the information from 7 pixels, you condense it down into 1. So ultimately, the eventual picture is going to be 5 megapixels or thereabouts.
That's right.
But you have 41 megapixels worth of data
more or less
into it.
That's right. Yeah. So we retain as much of the detail information as we possibly can through some specially developed algorithms, but we throw away the information that you don't want, the image noise, for example. The second benefit is then the zoom. So in stills, when you're using the default 5 megapixel setting, you get around 3 times zoom, which is completely lossless. There's no upscaling whatsoever in this product. In video, in 1080, that will give you 4 times lossless zoom, and if you select 720, for example, then that will increase to 6 times, again, lossless zoom. There's even an NHD setting which will allow you to go up to a lossless 12 times zoom as well.
And when can we expect this phone to come out? When can we
That'll be available in Q2.
Q2, running Symbian?
Yes, that's right.
I understand it has a single core 1.3 gigahertz processor.
That's right.
16 gigabytes of storage?
Correct.
NFC?
Don't forget there's also the dedicated GPU and the additional scaling chip that we have inside the camera, which is responsible for handling all those additional megapixels.
Okay. We'll track down the full specs in our announcement post,
Sure.
but thank you for letting us know about the camera.
No problem. Good to see you.